Are your Facebook stories looking blurry and low quality? In this video, I'll show you step by step how to fix the blurriness issue on your Facebook stories. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the Facebook mobile app, tap on the menu button at the bottom right corner of the screen. And then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once you are on this page, scroll down a bit, and under Preferences, tap Media. And now under Video Quality, you'll see these two options. The first option is Optimized. Adjust the resolution to network conditions. And the second option is Data Saver. Lower the resolution for all videos. So if you have set this to Data Saver, that's why all the videos and stories look bad, because Facebook is using less data and therefore less quality. To fix that, simply select Optimized. And now the video quality will be in good condition and will be adjusted according to internet speed. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.